Um, I want to discuss about yes, about the divided line. It is divided in the world of forms and the visible world of senses. Um, in the visible world of senses, there is object, things, images, belief, and imagination. And in this visible world of senses, it is a shadow of a reality because it is just an opinion. And in the world of forms, it is the ideas, forms, principles, formulas, understanding, thinking. It is the true reality because it is accessible only through intellect, while the visible world it is only perceived by our senses. It is about the good life, mom. As I've read the good life, um, its goal is happiness. But it's stated there that it is not just its wealth, um, pleasure, being popular, being honored, but it is the true happiness. It's to have that good values, to be good. And I learned that if one's definition of happiness is well is wealth, pleasure, or um, being honored or being popular, it won't last. Dili siya constant, magbago siya, mag-change siya. But being good is maybe is it I think it is still not constant, but being good, having that good value will give you that good life. What is the true happiness for? It's that good value of life.
Ito na value para sa virtue.
Mm, the value. It is the virtue. It is being good. Well, the value is a process value. Yeah, a value to be a
Sa
good.
reading,
Oh,
sa reading,
po.
in history about the virtue. Say something about virtue. Then, ano istorya ng value?
Mm. I did not really um focus on that thing, mom. But
So, good life for you is
to have that good value po.
living value.
I mean good values. I mean good values po. Values of being good.
Determine good values. Ano yung bad values?
I haven't encountered a world with a bad values po, but a good value is values is that it is a threat to be good, like with values of kindness, values of honesty.
Kindness, honesty. Where do you find that in the divided mind?
Mm. It is here in the principle po in the metaphysics in the world of forms. It is a principle of life to be
What is
kind.
higher than this?
I
Ano
been
dito sa higher? Yung naman sa principle. Principle, they are kindness.
mm,
Is so examples of principles.
I am not sure, ma'am.
I'm not sure.
Yes po.
Principles, mathematical formulas, theories, theoretical frameworks. You cannot contest that. Okay? So, kaya ngayon, na 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Hindi na. Pero, tanong kayo, necessary, may mga yun na lain mo definition, ano, lain na kung anong gamit senses. Kaso, mga lain, mo na mabilis ang kindness. So, dili kita itong understanding. So, para dito itong objective na meaning dito sa kindness, ito itinulog ang paglabaw ko sa mga formulas. That one is to find that with the mind, not with the eyes. Kindness, love, sinong balance with love. It's not easy, it's the highest. It's in the highest box sa divided mind, even beyond mathematical formulas. Okay, thank you, Mana.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, iwas na lang the children to na.
Ah, yes po.
Sige,
Thank you
next
po.
one.